Now we will learn about application of inductive effect on the dipole moment and bond length. How the inductive effect affects the dipole moments and bond length. First of all, we will learn about dipole moments. Dipole moments affected by the inductive effect. Greater will be negative inductive effects. Greater will be dipole moments. Here minus I effect. Order will be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here this group methyl is same in the 4 group. Only the negative inductive effects groups are changes. So as the negative I effect increases, dipole moment increases. The order of negative I effect fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So this is a fluorine attached. So this have a greater dipole moment than this. So this is in the increasing order. The dipole moments increases as the minus I effect increases. Here is the minus I effect, NO2 carboxylic acid, fluorine, alcohol, nitro. Here is a nitro, carboxylic acid, fluorine and alcohol. All the methyl are same. Here nitro, carboxylic acid, fluorine, OH. The negative I effects order is nitro, carboxylic acid, fluorine, alcohol. So in this way the dipole moments order will be here in this increasing order. This is a increasing order. And bond length. Bond length also affected by the dipole moments. The greater will be the minus I effects. It will attract more and more electrons towards this. That's why it decreases the bond length. As the fluorine has a higher electronegativity, a higher value of minus I effect than chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine has a fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Bromine has a greater minus I effect, so it will attract more and more electron clouds to it. So it will attract more and more electron clouds of this electron clouds towards it. So the bond lengths will decreases. Here this is shown. Actually this will not like this, this will like this, minus I effect. So it will attract more and more electrons towards this. That's why the bond length decreases. So more will be minus I effect, less will be the bond length. Here is the fluorine more I effect than chlorine, bromine, iodine, but it is a less bond length, 1.38 angstrom, but this is a 1.78 angstrom, 1.98 94, 2.14. So minus I effect decreases in order of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. A minus I effect decreases bond length. Greater the minus I effect, smaller will be the bond length in a molecule, since inductive effects lead to ionic character in a bond. Stability of alkyl radical. As I have already told that alkyl radical, this is a carbocation. Carbocation have electron deficient. So whichever the groups or atoms which increase this electrons deficiency, means which increase is deficiency, which provides electrons, it is electron deficient. So it want more and more electron to stabilize its valency to fulfill its octet. It has 6 electrons. Now it will try to attract electrons so that it can stabilize this. So I have already written carbocation are the electron deficient species because they do not have electrons to satisfy the octet rule. Therefore carbocation is very reactive and unstable. Anything which donate electron density to the electron deficient center will have to stabilize them. Carbocation is stabilized by plus I effect and stabilized by minus I effect, because plus I effect tend to decrease the positive charge of carbocation, whereas minus I tend to increase the positive charge on the carbocation. So any group which increase this positive charge which destabilize this carbocation, and any group which decrease this plus charge, means providing electron to this group, by this they can decrease this plus charge, so stability will increase. So plus this alkyl group, 3 alkyl group, there is 2 alkyl group, 3 alkyl group, 1 2 3 alkyl group, 2 alkyl group, 1 alkyl group, no alkyl group. So 3 alkyl group donates this lone pair, it acts as a plus I effect and decreases the plus charge, so it will stabilize this carbocation. Now this is a 2 alkyl group, this is also stabilize this carbocation. This is 1 alkyl group, there is no alkyl group. 3 degree carbocation, this is called 3 degree carbocation, 2 degree 1 degree methyl carbocation. So as the plus I effect increases, carbocation stability increases. carbocation stability increases, so plus I effect will increase the carbocation stability. And if anywhere NO2 group will be attached, will be attached, then there is a decrease in decrease in stability of the carbocation, because NO2 group will each has a minus I effect. It will increase the plus charge. In this way the compounds destabilize, increasing out of stability of carbocation. Here 3 alkyl group is a plus charge, so it will provide a lone pair, provide electrons to the electron deficient carbon atoms to stabilize this plus charge. Alkyl group release electrons plus I effect. In turn require a positive charge. More number of alkyl group attached to the carbon, more is the decolization of positive charge. Means more will positive charge will decollize if providing plus I effect, so it will stabilize the plus charge. Here is a 3 methyl is attached to this carbocation, so it is more stable. Here is a 2 methyl group attached, here is a 1 methyl group attached, here is no any methyl group attached. So carbocation with this 3 methyl plus I effect plus 3 I effect, 3 plus I effect, there is 2 plus I effect, there is a 1 plus I effect, there is a no I effect, so it will has more stability than this. In this way the carbocation are stabilized by the plus I effect. Now stability of carbon free radical also has a odd electron at outermost orbit. It is a 1 electron less, so anything which stabilize, anything which provides to fulfill its octets, anything which stabilize the free radicals, it increases the stability. So plus I effect will increase the stability, because plus I effect provides lone pair electron density towards this electron deficient carbon atom. So electron deficient, this is electron deficient, so anything which increases decreases electron deficiency, means decrease electron deficiency, that stabilize this free radical. Here is a methyl group act as a plus I effect, 2 plus I effect, 3 plus I effect. So plus 3 effect tertiary radicals is most stable, then secondary 2 methyl is a 3 plus I, 2 plus I group, 1 plus I group, and no I group. So as a plus I group increases, free radical stability increases, because it provides electron clouds to the electron deficient carbon atom. It is similarly happen like carbocations. Free radicals stability increases as the plus I effect increases, carbocation stability increases as the plus I effect increases. Now stability of carbon ion has 8 electrons, 3 bond pair, 2 lone pair, so it is a sp3 hybridized. It is electron rich, so minus charge is electron rich carbocation has electron deficient as a CRR. This is a carbocation, this is a electron deficient, but it is a electron rich. So carbocation is stabilized by plus I effect, because it will provide electron density by sigma bond pair, and it will disperse the positive charge. So stability of carbocation increases by the plus I effect, and minus I effect destabilize the carbocation. Similarly, by this is electron rich, so anything which will stabilize the minus charge by withdrawing the minus charge, by dispersing the minus charge, anything which minus I group will try to withdraw the electrons. By this the minus charge stabilizes. Minus I effect will stabilize the carbon ion, but plus I effect will stabilize the carbocation. There is a difference. This is electron deficient, this is electron rich. Electron rich will require minus I effect, but electron deficient require plus I effect. So in minus I effect will stabilize the carbon ion, and carbon ion has a trigonal by pyramidal structure geometry similar to amine. Here are some points need to be remembered. Characteristic of carbon ion, but I will teach you all the things in letters. Trigonal is a trigonal pyramidal geometry is there. There is 8 electron in the outermost orbit. Behave as a charged nucleophile. It is a dimagnetic in nature, formed by heterolytic bond fusion. React with the electrophile. This is electron rich, so electron deficient electrophiles they are react. So with the increase of plus I effect, stability decreases. Carbocation ion decreases the stability. With the increase minus I effect, stability increases. Here 3 minus I group, 3 minus I group. So this is a more stable because it will stabilize the minus I minus charge as a two groups, one groups. So as the minus I increases, stability of carbocation increases, stability of carbon ion increases. Here is a methyl group as are applied. This is 3 plus I effect. This has a 2 plus I effect. This has a 1 plus I effect. So plus I effect increases stability, decreases of carbon ion. So plus I effect push, it will try to push more and more electrons. It is already more electrons, it is a minus charge. So in this way it will destabilize the minus charge. To stabilize the minus charge, we should require to such type of groups which will withdraw the electrons, try to withdraw electrons, try to attract electrons, so that it will disperse the minus charge. But here is a pushing more and more electrons by this. So in this way it will destabilize the minus charge. So it has no any minus, it has no any plus I effect. It has a plus 1 I effect, 2 I effect, 3 I effect. So increasing in this order, stability increases in this order. Some questions we will learn later. Now we will learn about the mesomeric effect. There are lots of things need to be remembered in the mesomeric effect.